Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the account management settings and manage it on your account on Bigo Live easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application, then click on your profile section, then go to the settings up here, then go to the account management. So as you see here, you can add the phone number and the email, the Facebook, Google stuff. So that's how to if you want to protect your account more, so just add your phone number and your email, and that's it. That's how to manage or how to find the account management settings easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.